Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're continuing our journey into Python programming with a focus on data types. Data types are a fundamental concept in Python as they define the kind of data a variable can hold. We'll be exploring the most common data types you'll encounter. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use these data types effectively in your programs. Let's get started. In Python, data types are essential because they define the type of data that a variable can hold. Understanding data types is crucial for writing effective and error-free code. Today, we'll cover 4 common data types you'll encounter: integers, floats, strings, and booleans. Let's start with integers. Integers are whole numbers without any decimal points. They can be positive, negative, or 0. Integers are useful for counting and indexing. They can also be used in arithmetic operations, which we'll cover in a later video. Integers can be negative, as shown with the balance variable. Python handles these seamlessly. Python integers can be arbitrarily large, limited only by the machine's memory. Integers can be represented in binary, octal, and hexadecimal forms using prefixes 0b, 0o, and 0x. Integer literals in binary, octal, and hexadecimal forms are useful for readability, efficiency, and interoperability in programming. They simplify working with memory addresses, bitwise operations, and system-specific protocols. Next, we have floats. Floats represent numbers with decimal points, allowing for fractional values and greater precision than integers. They are commonly used in scientific calculations, measurements, and financial computations. Python supports basic arithmetic operations with floats, making them versatile for various applications. Understanding floats is essential for tasks that require precision in handling of real numbers. Let's go over strings now. Strings are sequences of characters enclosed in quotes used to represent text. They can contain letters, numbers, symbols, and spaces. They can even contain nothing. Strings are essential for handling text data in Python and support various operations like concatenation, slicing, and methods for manipulation. Understanding strings is crucial for tasks involving text processing, data input and output, and user interactions, all of which will be covered in later videos. Lastly, we will be covering booleans. Booleans represent one of 2 values, true or false. Booleans are essential for controlling a flow of a program. They are often used in conditional statements and loops to execute code based on certain criteria. Understanding booleans is crucial for tasks involving decision-making and logical operations in Python. Understanding these basic data types is fundamental to programming in Python. They allow you to store and manipulate data effectively. Practice using these data types in your own programs to get comfortable with them. In later videos, we'll dive deeper into operations you can perform with these data types. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Subscribe to get notifications of our weekly content. Comment below to let us know what Python topic you'd like to see explained next.